Good morning, afternoon, or evening. How you doing today? Welcome back to Mr. Morrow's Algebra class. Today we're going to wrap percent applications up. We're going to do percent applications part 3. We're going to be talking about discounts and markups. Very important. Every day you see on TV a sale. That's a discount. When you go buy something, you're going to pay taxes. That's a markup. When businesses sell something to you, they applied what's called a markup so they can make profit. So this is very important in the business world and everyday world, everyday life for consumers. So let's just go ahead and start. Discounts. Discounts result in a reduction in price, okay? They tell you, regularly it's $50, okay? But after the sale price will be, let's just say, for example, $30, okay? So after a discount is applied, you're going to have a reduction in price. When you have a discount, okay, you will pay less than the original price of the item you are purchasing. When you are given a discount, you are only paying a certain percentage less than the original price. Okay, that should be a than, not a then. Than the original price. So let's see how it works. TM Shirts is having a 20% off sale for Labor Day weekend. Find the sale price of a $50 shirt after the 20% discount. All right, I got two methods here. They're both pretty easy. One of them is a little bit shorter than the other, but they're both pretty good. Okay, let's start with the first method. The price of the shirt is $50. Okay, so step one, you have $50. And you have to take 20% off. So that means you have to find 20% of $50 and subtract that value away from the $50. So 20% of $50, remember how we set this up. That's going to be 2 over 100, correct? Or 0.2 times 50, right? So I'm going to multiply 20% times 50. Whenever I'm multiplying percents, I have to turn them into decimals. Okay, remember that. So 20%, if you forgot, remember that 20%, 2 places to the left, that's 0.2. So okay, so let's go ahead and multiply. We got 0, 10, 1 decimal. So $10. This is a very important amount. This is what is called the actual discount. Okay, you have the original price, which was $50. The percentage of discount, and the actual discount amount. So the amount that you are taking off of this price is $10. So step 2, 50 minus the $10 discount equals $40. And that is called the sale price. It's called the sale price because this item was on sale. When something is on sale, it usually is reduced. Okay? Now, method 2. Think about $50. $50 is the original price. And this original price is 100% of its price. So, again, sorry about that interruption. $50 is the original price. Okay, so $50 represents 100% of the original price. Okay, I hope that makes sense. $50 is what it's on sale for, and $50 represents 100% of the original price. You were taking a 20% discount. You have 20% off. So let's think about that. If you are paying 100% of the price is $50, but you're taking off 20%. So 100% minus 20% is really 80%. So you are actually paying 80% of the original price. Okay? So if I want to find the sale price using method 2, it's very simple. $50 times 80% of the original price is going to be, boom, $40. And that gives you the sale price. Using method 2, you don't see the discount amount, but you can figure out the discount amount very easily. If you go original price minus sale price, that will give you the discount. So in this example, the original price was $50 minus the $40 sale price. You had a $10 discount. And it's that easy. Okay? Be familiar with both methods. Sometimes I use both methods interchangeably. So it really depends on you. Okay. Let us continue here now. Markups. Markups result in an increase in price. Okay? Markups are the reverse of discounts. When there is, not when you, sorry about that. When there is a markup, you will pay more than the original price of the item you are purchasing. When there is a markup applied, you are only paying a certain percentage more than the original price. Examples of markups include sales tax, commission. That's what a salesman makes. When you sell a house, for example, you make a certain percentage. You make a commission. Markups are used by business owners to earn a profit. So markups are very important. How does it work? Let's check it out. TM Shirts applies an 80% markup to all of their inventory. If TM Shirts purchases a $15 shirt from their manufacturer, how much will they sell it to the public for after the 80% markup is applied? First of all, the manufacturer, that's who makes the shirts, okay? So TM Shirts here, they buy the shirts from the manufacturer for pretty cheap, for $15 a shirt. And then they apply an 80% markup. What that means is they're going to take 80% of the purchasing price of $15, and they're going to add that 80% to the price. So that way they're making a profit. So what happens is they're going to make an 80% profit on every shirt that they sell. Let's check out the methods. Both methods are very similar as the discount. Okay. So I have a $15 shirt, okay? And I want to apply an 80% markup. So the first thing I got to do is find 80% of 15. So 15 times 0.8. Okay, got 438, that's 12. So, boom. So $12 is my actual markup value. Again, you have the purchasing price. Okay, you have the purchasing price. You have the percent of markup. And then you find the actual markup value. Now, that's step one. Step two, you have the $15 that you paid for the shirt plus the $12 markup gives you $27, and that's your selling price. And as you can see, it is more than what you actually paid for, so you are making $27. I'm sorry, you're making $12 on every shirt. Method two, similar to the discount, they're not going to give you a markup value in method two. It's just going to give you the selling price, but it's very simple. If $15, okay, equals 100% of the shirt's cost, okay, and I'm going to add 80% as my markup, am I not going to pay 180% of the shirt's cost? Okay, that's what I'm going to sell it for. I'm going to sell it for 180% of the shirt's cost. So I could do this in one step. It's going to be 180% of the shirt's cost, which is $15. So I have 1.8 times 15. Remember, you can't work with percents. You have to turn them into decimals. So we got 0.49. Skip a space. Okay, so I got 0.71 and 1 decimal. Okay. What did I do there? Sorry about that, guys. Let's do that again the right way. Made a little mistake. Sorry. So 0.71. Okay, so $27. So $27 is my selling price. Now, how can I find the actual markup value? Well, just like before, take the selling price, subtract from the shirt cost, okay, and that will give you the markup value. So for example, in this case, we have $27 selling price minus the shirt cost of 15. There was a $12 markup value. All right? Now let's do some other examples. All right. Silvano wants to buy a pair of gym shoes that cost $75. The shoes are on sale at a 30% discount. How much will Silvano spend on the shoes? Okay, two methods. Method one. You got $75. You got to find 30% of 75, which is 5.1. So that's $22.50. That's my discount. And I'm going to subtract my discount from my original price. Remember, got to add a decimal. Put that 0 there. So that's going to be 5. 2, drop the decimal. So my sale price would be $52.50. Or, okay, that's method 1. Or, if I do method 2, I got $75. That's 100% of the original price. Minus a 30% discount, I'm going to pay 70% of the original price. So 75 times 0.7, we got 5, 3. All right, so that's $52.50. That's my sale price. So either way, you're going to find the sale price. Okay? Method 1 just gives you the discount and the sale price. Method 2 just gets right to the sale price. And then again, you could find the discount by taking the original minus the sale price. Okay, check this one out. Sporting goods store purchases inline skates, skateboards, and scooters for wholesale prices listed in the table. Find the retail price of each item. Okay, retail price, that's the selling price. That's what they're going to sell it to the public for. So the inline skates, let's call this A. We'll do it in red. So for A, I want to find the retail price, what I sell it to the public for. Okay, two methods. Method 1, I've got $80 and I have to apply a 105% markup. Okay, so I've got 80 times 105%. Remember that you have to turn 105% into a decimal. So I've got 1.05 times 80. So all right, so $84. $84 is the markup value. Okay, it's the markup value. Now step 2, you have the $80, which is the original price, plus the markup of 84. So you've got $164 is the selling price or the retail price. Retail is what they sell to the public for. If you want to go down method 2, Okay, method 2, well, you've got 105% markup, right? Okay. $80 represents 100% of the item plus a 105% markup. So that means you're really paying 205%, or you're selling it for 205% of the original. So 205% of 80 is going to be as follows. 2.05 times 80 and you've got $164 is your retail price. Okay? Now, I want you at home to go ahead and do the skateboard cost and the scooter cost after the markup. I want you to use any method you want, okay? Any method you want. And I want you to hit pause right now and actually do the skateboard and the scooter. And then when you're done with both, please go ahead and hit play, and the answers will be here. Okay? So go ahead and hit pause now, please. Okay, welcome back. I hope you calculated the correct retail price for skateboard and scooter. After a 125% markup, the cost of the skateboard is going to be $225. That is the retail cost of the skateboard. After a 110% markup for the scooter, you are going to have a retail cost of $126. Okay, I hope you got those right. Awesome. All right, let's wrap it up. You have a coupon for an additional 25% off the price of any sale item at the store. The store has put a watercolor kit on sale for 15% off the original price of $40. What is the price of the watercolor kit after both discounts? Okay. First thing you never do not add these together. A lot of people add 25% and 15% and they say, oh, okay, there's a 40% off. No, completely wrong. Let's look at the way the problem is written. You have a coupon for an additional 25% off the price of any sale item at a store. The store has put watercolor kit on sale for 15% off the original price of $40. What is the price of the watercolor kit after both discounts? Okay, well, let's first find 15% off the $40 because that's the first discount. So I have $40 times 0.15 so that's a $6 discount. Okay, that's a discount. So what is the sale price? That's step 1. Step 2, we got 40 minus the discount of 6. So I've got a $34 sale price, okay? That's my sale price. Now, from there, I can take an additional 25% off. So I have $34 times 0.25, 0, 17, skip it, 8, 6, 0, 5, 1, 8, so that's 2. So now that's an additional $8.50 discount. So now that's step 3. So now step 4, $34 minus $8.50. Got 0. $25.50 is your final price after both discounts. Okay? That would be method 1. Method 2 for this one. Okay. First, again, let's find the original sale price. So $40 is the original price which is which is 100% of the original price, minus 15% discount. So you're really only paying 85% of the original. So 0.85 times 40. Okay, $34. So $34 is what you're going to pay after the 15% discount. Now, $34 is 100% of the price. Minus a 25% discount, you're paying 75% of the original price. So 34 times 0.75. Two decimals, $25.50 is your sale price after both discounts. So please, whenever you have multiple discounts, find the first sale price, then apply the second discount. Do not add them together and apply it as one. Okay, a sign says the price marked on all music equipment is 30% off the original price. You buy a drum set for the sale price of $315. What is the original price? Okay, do it. Go ahead and hit pause. Do it. I'll be right back. Okay, hopefully you got it. Thanks for coming back. Remember, it's a discount, so hopefully your sale price was $220.50. Again, how would you get that? Method 1, 315 times 30% discount. So that's $94.50 is the discount. So I got 315 minus 94.50.
Mass will be celebrated in the chapel in 5 minutes. Mass will be celebrated in the chapel in 5 minutes. All students and faculty are cordially invited. Also, Officer Sam Diaz, please report to the attendance office.
2250.
Officer Sam Diaz.
So that would be method 1. $315 times 30% discount is a $94.50 discount. 315 minus 94.50 is $220 sale price. Method 2, you have a $315 drum set, which is 100% of the original price, minus a 30% discount. You're paying 70% of the original, so 315 times 0.7. Well, yep. So that's going to be, that's it. On decimal, $22.50. That's your sale price. Hope this makes sense. It's very useful. Go out there and figure out a discount when you go to the mall next time. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Hope you learned a lot. Bye-bye.